Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and sometimes controversial topic: artificial intelligence in the arts. Can machines innovate? From painting and music to literature and film, AI is making waves in creative fields. But can machines truly innovate? Stay tuned as we explore this intriguing question. Let's start with a brief overview of artificial intelligence and its role in creativity. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. This includes learning from data, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. In recent years, AI has been applied to various creative fields, generating art, music, literature, and even film scripts. But what does this mean for the concept of creativity, traditionally seen as a uniquely human trait? AI algorithms, particularly generative adversarial networks, GANs, have been used to create stunning visual art. GANs consist of two neural networks, one generating images and the other evaluating them, leading to increasingly refined results. Projects like DeepArt and AIDA, the world's first AI robot artist, showcase how AI can create original pieces of art that often rival human creations. AI is also used in style transfer, where the style of one image is applied to another. This technology allows artists and designers to experiment with different styles quickly and efficiently. Applications like Prisma use AI to transform photos into artworks inspired by famous artists like Van Gogh and Picasso. AI has made significant strides in music composition. Tools like AIVA, Artificial Intelligence Virtual Artist, and Amper Music enable users to create original compositions. These AI systems analyze vast amounts of musical data to understand patterns and structures, generating music in various styles and genres. AI is also enhancing music performance and production. For instance, AI-powered tools can assist in mixing and mastering tracks, ensuring high-quality sound. Additionally, AI can analyze a musician's style and create accompaniments or suggest improvements, offering a collaborative approach to music creation. AI can generate stories, poems, and even entire novels. Models like GPT-4 can write coherent and engaging text based on given prompts. While AI-generated literature is still in its early stages, it offers exciting possibilities for writers looking for inspiration or assistance in their creative process. AI tools like Grammarly and Hemingway assist writers by providing grammar checks, style suggestions, and readability improvements. These tools help writers refine their work, making the writing process more efficient and polished. AI is being used to assist in scriptwriting. Systems like Scriptbook analyze scripts to predict box office performance and audience reception, helping writers craft more compelling stories. Additionally, AI can generate plot ideas, character developments, and dialogue, providing valuable input during the creative process. AI is revolutionizing visual effects and animation in the film industry. AI algorithms can create realistic special effects, enhance animation quality, and streamline the post-production process. This technology allows filmmakers to bring their visions to life more efficiently and cost-effectively.